gay?
It's because he's showing him who's bi.
Yeah.
Play with me. I want to play.
Petey's like, piss off. Look at Petey's face. He's like, piss the hell off, dog. Do you really think I want to do this right now?
Ooh. He's like, bring it on.
Just play with me, Petey. Play with me. Come on.
It's funny because Jasper laying down is as tall as Petey standing up.
Oh, are you scared now? What the hell?
I'll put him back down there.
Put him back down.
He's scared.
Put him back down there.
Pussy.
Oh. No. No. Oh.
Jasper's like, bring it.
Like, I'm trying to get up here.
So pick me up.
I can't pick you up. They'll yell at me.
Oh, Jasper's still wanting to play.
Oh.
He's like, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Where's
Oh, found each other. Oh.
Petey, don't go psychotic. I don't mind this.
Hi. Oh, that was a close shot.
Put him down. Get him, Jasper. Get him. Get him.
No, we don't want him to get it. Just play.
Go play, Petey.
Where's your feet?
Go play.
He's like, bring it. Come on. Oh. Come on. He's barking. That's not his actual bark. Come on, Petey.
Does he not want to play?
Petey.
Does he not want to play with you?
God, dude. Become a
That's so
Hulk.
funny. You just growl at him and he has a growling fight with you.
He doesn't do it with me. He knows better. He'll do it with everyone else. And if someone tries to hit me, he sees it. Close the
He's like, come on.
Like,
Get him.
Petey, play with me.
what you doing, Petey?
Oh, he's standing up like, yay.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
I'm torturing you.